how to add new participants to WhatsApp group. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to add new participants to a WhatsApp group, whether you're creating a new group or adding people to an existing one. I'll guide you through the process, so let's get started. First things first, open the WhatsApp app and go to the group chat where you want to add participants. You need to know that you need to be an admin to add new members to the group. Once you're in the group chat, simply tap on the group name at the top of the screen to open the group info page. Now scroll down to participants. Here you can simply find all the participants which are in the group. Now, if you are admin, you will see an option that says add participants. Simply tap on it and there you'll see your contacts listed. You can scroll through them and select the contacts you want to add to the group. Or if you want to add or simply create a new group, what you can do is alternatively simply choose the people that you want to add a group with. Simply tap on the name and scroll down until you find an option that says create group with, or you can also go to the existing group and simply tap on the group name, scroll down, and you can find an option which says add members or invite to group via link. You can simply choose add members and choose whichever you prefer, like this, and simply click on add. Or you can also invite some people via simply clicking on send link via WhatsApp or copy link, and you can simply choose to copy link and send it to another app or via text message. And that's it. You've now learned how to add new participants to your WhatsApp group.